Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudha Rani, Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Welcome to this lab series of Java. Today we are performing experiment number 9, part A, where we will write a Java program to connect it to a database using JDBC, which stands for Java Database Connectivity. So the first thing I did is the Oracle setup. In this experiment, I first opened Oracle database on my system. My admin gave me the username and password which are necessary to access the database securely. Without proper authentication, we cannot connect to the database. The host name of the database is 10.0.23.242. The port number is 1521 and SID is SVECW. Please note here we are using SID, not the service name. After entering these details, I successfully created the connection in Oracle. So you can see that the connection has been created. After entering these details, then I opened gedit text editor and then started writing the Java program named JDBC connection.java. Okay, so in the editor, I started typing my program. I imported the necessary packages such as java.sql.connection, java.sql.drivermanager, and java.sql.sql-exception. These three packages are essential for connecting to and handling database operations. So connection helps us represent a connection to the database. Driver manager is used to establish the connection, and SQL exception is used to catch and handle any errors that occur while connecting. So then I have defined the class JDBC connection and public static void main from where the execution begins. So in here I have given string URL is equal to JDBC Oracle thin. So JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. It tells Java that this is a JDBC connection. Next I have defined Oracle. So this provides the database type. So here it's Oracle database. So this helps Java know which driver to use. Then I have given thin. So thin means the driver type. Thin means it's a pure Java driver that connects directly to the database over TCP/IP without needing Oracle client software installed on the machine. So it's portable and widely used for connecting Java applications. And then comes the host name or IP address of the database server, so which is 10.0.23.242. So in this case, it's a private IP address where the Oracle database is running. And next comes the port number where the Oracle listener is listening for incoming connections. And next comes the SID, which is the system identifier of the database. So it identifies the specific database instance you want to connect to the server. So next I have given the username and the password which my admin have given me, and they must be the credentials given to you by the database administrator. So you get that and use them over here. Okay, so next I have used try with resources block, which automatically closes the connection after execution. So the program tries to connect to the database using driver manager.get connection. If the connection is successful, it prints a message, otherwise it prints a failure message. In the catch block, if an error occurs while connecting, the program catches the exception using catch in the catch block and prints the error message and error code in the catch block. Okay, so this helps us understand why the connection failed. Then after writing the program, I saved the program and closed it. So wherein I'm trying to get the message, error message, and also I'm trying to get the error code, and also we are trying to print the stack trace of it, so that we are not confused why the connection was not made. Okay, so writing all these in the catch is very important because we need to understand where the connection failed. Okay, so once the code has been written, so we need to save it. So Control S and then quit from the editor. So the reasons why we can get a failure with the connections is because the database server might not be reachable due to the network issues, or maybe the IP address or the port number could be incorrect, or the database listener might not be running or might be misconfigured, and maybe there is a firewall or antivirus that might be blocking the connection, and the database may be overloaded or slow to respond at that particular time. So these could all be the reasons why the database connection can fail. Okay, so even giving the wrong username and the password also can lead into a database failure. So we need to make it a point that the username, password, and the port number and the IP address, host name, everything is properly given in the URL. The con here is a con object representing the link between your Java program and the Oracle database. So if con is not null, it means that the driver manager successfully created a connection object and the connection to the database is established. So you can now send SQL queries and interact with the database through this connection. Okay, so normally driver manager.get connection will create a con object, and if it is null, it means something went wrong or it's a fallback condition. So we need to catch that in the catch block. So once I have written the program, I saved the program and closed the editor and came back to the terminal, and in here I compiled the program using the command Java JDBC connection.java. It compiled without any errors, meaning the syntax was correct. Next, I ran the program using the command Java JDBC connection. The connection failed and showed a TCP timeout error because it's taking quite a time to connect to the database. So there's a TCP timeout error. This error happens when the program cannot establish a connection to the database within a specific time limit. So I recompiled the program using the same command, and this time the connection was successfully established. It printed connected to Oracle database successfully, meaning everything is working properly. So you might be wondering why this connection program and why it is necessary. So a database connection allows us to perform important tasks such as storing data permanently, retrieving data when needed, updating and deleting records, and managing large amounts of structured information. So with JDBC, Java applications can easily communicate with databases like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc., enabling powerful and data-driven applications. So what did we learn in this experiment? We understood how to connect a Java program to an Oracle database using JDBC, and also we learned how to handle connection errors and why proper setup and credentials are needed. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.